Welcome back to the second Global Islamic FinTech Forum 2025. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Mahmood Jawad with us, who is founder and CEO of MYTM. Mahmood, how are you doing?
All good. How about you? Thank
Very
you for
well.
having me here.
My pleasure. Thanks for being on the show.
You're welcome.
We are here to educate. We want to know about what you're building in the business sector, FinTech sector, blockchain sector. I hear you trade crypto. So tell us your journey about how you firstly founded MYTM and how you also discovered crypto.
It's a very interesting journey. Basically, I would say I'm a misfit for that, but I became a fit and proper for that eventually. So by qualification, I am an electrical engineer.
Oh, wow.
And me and my co-founder name is Dr. Zain Farouk. He's a medical doctor and he's MD in oncology. So from I am from electrical engineering background, he from the medical background. We were just roaming around as a friend in China, and when we saw back in 2014, China is actually progressing in terms of financial technologies, and we bought a couple of socks from a hawker on the street using QR code. So this was fascinating for me. These kind of things were not available in the GCC market, not in the South Asian market. So eventually, me and Zan, we discovered like there is a huge potential in terms of these things. So let's start working on that. So in 2018, like after an R&D of couple of years, we founded MyTM. And after that, initially there were no EMI regulations in Pakistan for MyTM because we started from there. The first EMI regulations, they came in 2019 in Pakistan, and they were pretty new, and these terminologies were very new for everyone. Eventually we started just like some other fintech. There is another fintech in India, so we started like that by selling tickets digitally. And then we signed an agreement with one of a leading microfinance bank in Pakistan as a branchless banking agent. And then the COVID hit, and then eventually we got an opportunity to present ourselves in GITEX.
Oh, wow.
Through the Pakistani government, and we became the first Pakistani fintech to win GITEX.
Wow, amazing.
So eventually after that, we got a good traction. We got some good opportunities in Saudi Arabia, and we start serving the Saudi market. Saudi market is, I would say it's one of a very lucrative market in terms of financial technologies because systems are very fast. All the government services are interconnected. You don't have to move here and there. It's a kind of a paperless economy, I would say.
Right.
So eventually this market is something where we learned a lot, and now we are going to implement all of these things in the other markets. Then what happened, we started doing financing, and we became the first company in Saudi Arabia that got the no objection certificate from SAMA for the SME digital lending. So SME digital lending was something that was a very big pain point because all the big banks, all the big companies, they prefer to serve the corporate. No one is serving SMEs. And if someone is serving, the process is very tedious. So we decrease the financing cycle of SME. The approval, I would say, the initial approval, it usually takes 7 to 8 days. We decrease it to 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes, your loan is being approved up to $500,000.
Wow, that's amazing.
So this is something we created.
You created this?
Yes, we created this product, and it has served more than 1,000 SMEs till now. And we are increasing this product portfolio in Saudi Arabia as well as in other markets. Now we recently got acquired by one of the leading fintech in Saudi Arabia that is called Burk. Burk is the second largest fintech of Saudi Arabia, serving more than 5 million customers, more than 20 billion real in the remittance that we have transferred till now in last 6 months. So now we are actually, as a Chief Innovation Business Officer of Burk and CEO of MyTM, we are now trying to expand into other markets. So our first market is Pakistan. Next market we are targeting UK, and then there are other markets. So we are bringing very different, unique kind of products specifically for the expatriates.
Right.
Those expatriates who are like a kind of blue collar workers who are driving taxis here, who are working into the construction sector. So we will be providing them with the cross-border financial facility, who are earning in UAE, who are earning in GCC, anywhere in Saudi Arabia. So they will have access to finance in their countries, just like cross-border buy now, pay later. We will be offering cross-border car ijara. We will be offering buy now, pay later for even for the SMEs in the future. So there are a lot of new products that we are coming up, and they are not in the market.
Okay. Wow. Amazing. Lots of things happening in the space.
Yes.
What excites you about crypto? Talk a bit about crypto now and the blockchain sector. What excites you about it?
Actually, for crypto, there is something I would say because crypto is a kind of a non-regulated market, and the good thing about it, it's a free market. There is no one controlling that,
True.
and you have a kind of a free will to trade to do anything. But there are obviously some sort of pros and cons for crypto as well, because there are many countries who are not actually excited that crypto should be available in their countries because
True.
of the anti-money laundering rules, because of the
Yes.
fraudulent transactions. Crypto is good for the Gen Z, for the people who are tech savvy, who can use mobile applications, and who have some information, who have some knowledge about trading. So crypto is basically, I would say, it's a kind of a virtual asset that you have.
Yes.
But those people who are not tech savvy, so I would not recommend them to use crypto, because they can get fooled by those people who are doing some sort of fraudulent transaction.
Actually, there's fraud everywhere. There's
Yes,
fraud in
yes.
both the
Exactly,
traditional finance
exactly.
and the modern finance.
Exactly. And the best thing about crypto is like you don't have to pay additional fees. There is no hidden charges. So, for example, I have to transfer funds from one place to another. So I know I am buying BTC at that price and I'm
Yes.
selling at that price.
Yes.
But if I talk about any other currency or any other payment that I have to do, so I don't know, like if I'm transferring here, what kind of taxes I will be giving, what kind of additional exchange rates I will be giving. So in crypto, there is no such kind of
Yes.
obligation.
That is the one unique thing about
Yes.
this space,
Yes.
which I really appreciate.
Yes.
Wonderful. So for those who are watching, if they're interested in getting in touch with you, where can they find more information about you?
They can contact me on my LinkedIn. I'm mostly available on LinkedIn. I'm not using Instagram, and I'm available but not that much active on that, or also on the Facebook. So
Got
LinkedIn
it.
is the platform where they can get in touch with.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time. I
Welcome.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Mahmood's profile. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.